Hi everyone, thank you for joining me to a new video by Original Video Reviews. As you can see, I have a big package here and we're going to find out together what's inside. It seems like the seller did quite a good job by packaging it. Let me grab a knife and we'll open this thing up. So in a second we're going to find out what's inside, okay? It seems like there's a box inside. It looks like a keyboard. You can see that the box is a little bit squashed on the left side. And it's a keyboard. Let me look exactly what it is. Okay, so this thing is an ultra slim wireless keyboard. Okay, it's called Zoweetek, the brand. You can see it here and also here. On the back of the box, you can see that it says it's full-featured multi-touchpad. It says compact design with aluminum steel cover. It says X-structure design, whatever it means, and long-distance support, okay? Right now I'm going to remove the cover and reveal the keyboard, okay? This is how it looks like for the first time when you open the box. Let me put the box aside. Well, we have a manual in English. We'll get back to that later. Let's talk about the keyboard now. So I'm holding this keyboard for the first time and it feels very good, the build quality, a mix of plastic and metal. The right side has a touchpad, very smooth one I have to say. The rest of the keyboard, it has 80 keys overall. They're quite big. I think it's going to be very comfortable to type them. On the top you have 3 light indicators, battery life, Bluetooth and caps lock. On the bottom line you will notice all the buttons with the commands and stuff that might differ between the operating systems. We know that it fits iOS, Android and Windows. Now here's a look from the side of the keyboard. You can notice that it's quite slim. From the back of it you can notice where the battery goes. This is where the batteries go, 2 AAA batteries. And also you have 2 buttons. One is switch button between on and off. And the other one is to connect the Bluetooth to the device. And also you can notice the 4 rubbers on the back that's supposed to help you place it on a flat surface. Right now I'm trying to check if it's comfortable and if it's sitting properly on the surface. You can see that it moves a bit from side to side, but it's not so bad, okay? Overall it's not so bad. I will try to type a bit. Feels very good, big keys. Very easy to type with this thing, okay? And you can see that it still moves a bit from side to side. I'm not sure why, because from the back it seems that everything fits fine. Right now we're going to need 2 AAA batteries, so let's open the magic box with batteries inside and we're going to find out a pair of AAA batteries. Let's place the batteries inside, remove the cover. 1 battery goes inside, 2nd battery goes inside, and let's close the cover. That's it. After we did that, let's switch the device to on mode. And that's it, it's supposed to turn on. Let's check if something happens. You can see that the Bluetooth blue light indicator turned on right now. And what's left for us to do is to connect the keyboard to the computer. So we are going to connect the keyboard to my laptop, which runs Windows 10 on it. First, let's switch it to the back and press the connect button so it will be able to locate it. The computer will be able to locate the keyboard. Now you can see that on the Bluetooth setup, it reveals the keyboard. It knows that it exists and we should pair between them. So right now you can see I switch pair and it gives us a code. You have to insert this code to the keyboard, 788200307, and enter. And it's going to take several moments until this will connect. It will pair between the keyboard and the computer. The whole process, it took about 2.5–3 minutes. You can see now that it finished, but it took about 2.5–3 minutes, and you can see that it's connected right now. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to test it if it works, and you can see that the touchpad already works. I can use the mouse with the touchpad. It works quite okay. There's a slight delay, but it works okay. Okay, so I'm going to test right now the typing. I'm trying to type with it, and I can see that it works okay. It works just fine. Okay, let me go over the operating systems that it can work with. You can work with iOS, Android, and Windows. Now I just connected this keyboard to my PC with the Windows 10 system on it. And I also have to connect it to test it on Android. I have a cell phone with Android. I still didn't do that. I will have to do that. And I already connected it to my iPad tablet with an iOS on it. So I can tell you that it works just fine. Now let's review the manual instruction. It's in English. It's quite short, very clear to understand what's written on it. And what can I say, like it shows you exactly how to pair the keyboard to Windows and to Android. No reference to iOS, but I tell you for sure that I connected it to iOS also. Okay, from the back on the left you can see all the explanations about gestures and functions. You have to learn about it. It's not so complicated, and it hides some secrets. Okay, so the verdict is like this. The price for this keyboard is very attractive. The build quality is very good, and it works with 3 different operating systems. There is a slight delay. I'm still not sure why with the Windows 10. Maybe it's something that I can sort out. I still learn how to work this, so I invite you to ask questions, comment about this video, and I will try to do my best to give you an answer. I hope that I helped you to decide if you want to buy this thing. I invite you to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.